Because Miranda is a character unlike any other I have portrayed in my whole career, I really, really invoked the name of Sherry Hill. Because I said, oh my God, how would Sherry have done this? Hi! Parang ngayon lang nakita. Ayan, we'll start now.
Sige. So, what are some lessons that you took away from playing Miranda in Saving Grace?
Kasi mataray siya, di ba? Tapos, meron siyang issues kasi from her past na she's so guarded because of that.
Oo.
Parang yun na yung buhay niya. Tapos, ang naging, siguro, gamot niya sa lahat, coping mechanism niya, yung pagiging workaholic niya. My character has only reiterated to me na kailangan may balance talaga sa buhay. Hindi pwedeng ganun. You don't deal with a problem like that. You can mask it for a while, but it's going to surface. Okay, ikaw naman, Janice.
Si Helena, her coping mechanism, medyo dun siya mahina. Because she is everyday faced with so many things. Yung tinatago niya, araw-araw niyang nilalaban. She needs to fight that battle every day. Siguro the lesson there is you cannot keep things bottled up inside.
Oh, you have a heart attack.
Kasi may mamamatay ka talaga kaagad. So,
Oo.
dapat nire-release mo yan paunti-unti.
Were there scenes that we did together that really stuck with you?
Yes. Ano kasi ako I'm more for the quiet scenes.
Yeah.
More than our loud confrontation.
Kailangan kasi meron
Meron nga tayo mga scenes together, hindi nga tayo nag-uusap, pero nagtitinginan lang tayo.
Oo.
Mas gusto ko yun because it says more.
Ako, the one in the terrace, kasi panoorin niyo po kasi hindi na yung makwento.
Makwento masyado.
Oo, yung
But it says more, di ba?
Yes, kasi parang may pa hindi kami pwede sumigaw kasi kunyari maririnig kami. So,
what do you admire about each other? I think ako, the way I see you, you work very hard. As in, you work very hard. Yes. You have this generous heart. I think you like to give always.
Yeah. I like seeing people happy.
Oh,
and parang magaang yung set. Kasi especially in this series, Janice, parang naging family. Parang ang gaang.
I don't know if people realize that when sa working situations natin,
oh gosh, oo.
Especially nung nagla-lock-in, you're the first people that we see and yung last people na nakikita mo bago ka matulog.
Morning till night. It's just nice that you're working with people who are also not only great at what they do, but who are also fun to work with. That's so important.
I think pinaka-importante yung fun to work with. Kasi madali yung katrabaho mo lang, pero yung katrabaho mo, tapos of course, kasama mo buong araw, kailangan kayong mag-communicate.
Oo, masaya.
Importante.
Ako, what do I admire about Janice? I always look forward to seeing you on set especially when we have something to do together. I guess it's because we grew up kind of in the same era. So we come from what I call now old school, di ba? Compared to the kids now. So parang feeling ko meron na agad connection na special. Tapos, when I first did a scene with Janice, you have to see her in person to know what I'm talking about. Her eyes I got lost in her eyes.
Wow.
Sa artista, I feel it's so important. Nakikita mo yung biglang maiiyak ako, tinitignan lang kita. Parang ang ganda sa artista and ang galing na artista ni Janice. So parang, when I'm working with her, nadadala ko. Because she's so good, because you're so good, nakakahiyang hindi ka rin giving your best.
Meron pa ako, what I admire about her, meron kasi mga bagay na hindi ko kayang gawin, kagaya ng pagkanta. So, yun na lang. Walang kinalaman sa role, pero yun na lang. Doon, wala na. Wala, zero na ako.
Thank you.
Okay, sige, kwento ko na nga. So, nung bata ako, gusto ko talaga maging singer. So, umaarte ako na nagko-concert ako. May cassette kami. Tinitape ko yung mga naririnig ko sa radyo. Isa yung mga tinitape ko, Mr. DJ. So, nagko-concert ako talaga. Tapos thank you. Thank you, everyone. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga fans na nood ng concert ko.
Kinikwento niyo sa akin.
Tapos kakanta ako ng Mr. DJ.
Sana present ako.
Oo.
That's so heartwarming. That's
No,
so
it's
cool to
really-
know. Thank you. This is the first time we have gotten to work together. I remember when we were talking, oh my God, we have things in common.
The things that are
I
common.
mean, yung pagka-personalities namin. So,
Surprisingly, di ba?
and you know, she's a chef, I'm just a cocinera. So, but we love to cook, we love to eat. So many things. So, never too late. How did you get into the headspace of playing Helena?
Hindi ko alam kasi we read our script, but I don't like to read it too much because I don't like to overthink.
And they change it.
And they change it naman eh. So you
On
wait
set.
till you get on set.
Mm.
So you actually hear your director's vision.
Yes.
So you can collaborate on how to play the role. So that when you play it, iisa kayo ng wavelength.
Mhm. So, ako naman, because Miranda is a character unlike any other I have portrayed in my whole career, I really invoked the name of Sherry Hill. Because I said, oh my God, there's so many aspects. Oh my God, how would Sherry have done this? Sherry always had a very powerful presence in our movies. I used to tell her, ikaw talaga yung ka-love team ko. Because we were very close and then we...
You worked very well.
Oh yeah,
together.
she was my perfect partner. And we were supposed to do a series that was gonna be the sequel to Bituin Mo Lang Ningning. Na may mga anak na kami. Unfortunately nga, what we didn't expect to happen, happened. But all throughout my portrayal of Miranda, especially in the earlier scenes, bago siya
Siyang
bumalik sa dad.
inspiration.
Oh, siya talaga. Siya talaga. So yun,
I
that
get
was
that.
one way, di ba, no? That
I
was
get
one way I really prepared myself also. So you can imagine this role of Miranda. If you've seen any of my work in the past, you can imagine this is totally different. Parang, so I'm excited also to see. Saving Grace is now streaming on Prime Video.